Today I'm going to show you how to remove a broken pipe thread from a hole. This application will also work if you were to break off a bolt, but the difference is you would have to drill a hole in the center of the bolt to do it. Quick backstory to what caused this. I was backing in my tractor to the garage today, and normally my regulator for my air compressor is mounted like this and it's sticking out. Well, when I was backing out, the front bucket of my tractor hit it and knocked it off, and that's why the thread was stuck inside of the air compressor. So first, let's remove the piece of broken pipe from the valve, and I went and bought a new 3/8 nipple to put back in its place. Now, because I was in a hurry to do it and I wasn't thinking, I already removed it. This is the broken threaded portion of the pipe that had broken off inside of the air compressor. But imagine that this is threaded inside of it still. And again, this applies to bolts, but if this was a bolt, you would have to drill the hole out yourself. But because this was a galvanized piece of pipe, it's very easy to do. And what you use is this guy right here. This is called an easy out. And if you're looking at it, for anybody that doesn't know, when you tighten things, it's always righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So to get that threaded piece out, what you would do is take your easy out, you would apply it inside of the hole, and then you start turning it like you're loosening it. And because this is cut at an angle that would tighten up, as you are tightening this up, it starts pulling it in. So this works opposite of bolts, because as you can see, I'm trying to tighten this back onto the easy out, and it gets tight by going in reverse. But now when you turn it right, you'll notice that it will turn right off of the easy out, just like that. And now I have a nice clean thread that I can put my new nipple back in its place. Before we apply this and put it inside the hole though, we're going to take some Teflon tape. To apply the tape, you want to apply it in the direction that it's going to be threading in. So we're going to take it, come around once, hold it in place until you get the tape to come back and over and around it. So that's our first pass. Just kind of pull it tight, come around for your second pass. And on your second pass, you don't have to cut it or anything. Just give it a little pull and then push those extra pieces over, and it's ready to install. With everything taped up, and you only want to do about 2 wraps of the Teflon tape, you can go ahead and start threading it into the hole. I put the regulator on the other end of it so that way I can tighten them both at the same time. And we're going to turn this in until it gets pretty snug. Now that it's all tight, we're going to run the air compressor and make sure we don't have any air leaks. And she is all fixed, and to show you that we do have pressure, I'm going to open the valve. My valve does have a small leak on it, but you can see where the Teflon tape is. There is no hissing, and we have a really good connection. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time on Bevins Builds.